Welcome to Phoenix Place, a stellar abode in Liverpool that is nothing short of perfect. Here you'll find a range of ensuites offering unparalleled privacy. As the sun's rays glide through the windows, gently waking you from your slumber, step out of the soft and cozy mattress and head to the pristine bathroom for a refreshing shower. Select your outfit from the wardrobe and share your style on social media using the complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi. In the kitchen, prepare a delicious dinner and gather with friends around the dining table. With amenities like a cinema room and games room, you can opt for a movie night or a game of pool. Start your day with a quick workout in the gym and say goodbye to your daily chores with the on-site laundry facility. Located near the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine and the University of Liverpool, Phoenix Place is always bustling with students. Take a visit to Shenanigans for drinks with friends or take a weekend drive to explore the Museum of Liverpool. For further exploration, catch a bus from the nearby Virgil Street bus stop to explore the unparalleled liveliness of Liverpool. Embark on a joyful roller coaster ride by booking your stay at Phoenix Place Student Accommodation through amberstudent.com today.